Okay, we're going to look now at the first extensor compartment of the wrist. Yeah, it's at the radial aspect of the wrist. And if we, just in terms of anatomy, we try to explain that a bit further. I'm asking my patient to extend the thumb. You can see the tendon, the first extensor compartment, the abductor pollicis longus and the extensor pollicis brevis. They run in the first extensor compartment over the radial tuberosity, over the distal radius. Now at that point we can locate it on ultrasound by putting the probe on it. You can scan up and down until you know that you're at that distal point of the radius, and then you can see on the left hand side of my screen is the extensor pollicis brevis, and we can check that by getting the patient to extend their thumb. And then the abductor pollicis longus is next to it, and it's quite a bit bigger in size. Now, moving on to the left hand side, I'm moving dorsal, so I'm now moving towards the second compartment. And then if I'm, so the extensor pollicis brevis is close to the second compartment, and the abductor pollicis longus is much more going to the volar aspect. So that's how you kind of identify the different tendons within that compartment. So we can also show this in the longitudinal plane, and I just have to spin the probe so that we can see that compartment running, and you can see the distal aspect of the radius. Yeah, and again you can ask your patient to move the thumb, and you can see really nicely where the distal radius ends and where it then goes into the hand. So basically this is how you find that first extensor compartment